Is it? How do you know?
Because it says record.
Where are the filters?
God filter.
Can you like? Oh my God, you can't. We've got our Sarah Bear. Is that Sarah Schwank?
No, only.
Ooh, this like is really good. Like zoom action. Hi.
You're just sprinkle. Just sprinkle everybody. Okay. Go by the body works. You're like, were you supposed to put this up? Good.
Some sort of irritation.
We really want to
Make slime.
We want to make slime.
What?
We want to make slime, and we have no one to take us to Dollar General to get slime. To get glue. Why do you hate me?
You guys have legs. Dollar General.
Should I?
By yourself?
Should? Yeah, like, are you gonna go? We should. It could be fun. Yeah. Really? Yep.
It doesn't say to go.
Oh no. We can go turn and no one's here. Let's go. Yes. That's the one and only.
Well, how many hours?
That is 1 hour. No, 1/4. Slime, don't mind if I do.
Do you have actual slime here?
Let's go to 4 hours.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So should we get the big one?
Yeah.
We need borax.
What is it called again?
Borax.
So you don't know. I don't know if there's a lot.
Well, we need a lot. We're making
I
big.
know. There's a lot of slime.
If you have, like, laundry detergent, that'll work. I know for a fact because I've Jenny before. I'm like,
It might not be as good though.
Yeah, you're right. Should I ask? My favorite.
sweet treats.
So I don't know if we're gonna find borax. Really?
It's trash. And then we took things from the landfill and we're like, yeah.
It's called bizarre.
Oh, someone opened it. It wasn't you. Yeah, it feels really funky.
Pieces of rubber.
Put it on the ground.
We should give each other the same. I want the tramp stamp. That's art.
Go ahead, go.
Secure the bag.
Back. Now time for the walk home. Yeah.
But we didn't. There was no borax, so we're gonna.
I do have some downstairs, Sarah.
I know, but
Now
okay,
let's
get your
necklace on.
yeah.
I'd say so. Get it.
Should I? I think I should add the paint right now.
I have
Yeah.
a hack to show you guys this one. It's professional.
Okay, so I'm talking to myself. I don't know what color. Wait, is it gonna stain the spoon?
No. Sarah,
What'd you do before?
it's a
I
spin.
just like put my.
close your door. Like, are you one of the like? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am one of them.
How much do it?
Oh, I put a lot to be honest, and I made a mistake.
Should I just?
The fog water.
Yum.
Hot Pocket. Wait, no, it's Red Robin.
What's the Hot Pockets one?
It's just Hot Pocket.
Hot Pockets.
Crispy, crusty, tender, flaky crust.
So use your phone for close up because mine's full.
Hot Pockets. What color should I do?
Raspberry sorbet.
Mine's pink, delicious, awesome princess. Scented too.
Ew, why is it like oily?
Shake it.
Ew.
Sarah, yours is gonna be brown. Mine's forming.
Gosh,
Why don't you
strong.
vlog us?
It's recording. I got 2 angles right now.
Wow, we're so pro. Should I do mine like hot orange and call it big sexy Puerto Rican prostitute? You should. Is really?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Like this orange?
Yeah. Yeah.
This one?
No, I keep doing it.
Oh.
Gunky.
Oh my god,
That's more. Here, I can edit for you.
I think I got it.
Yeah.
what?
Did it come out the bottom?
I know, that's what happened to me.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
I did it a little too much.
Okay.
It's like a brain. What my brain looks like.
I don't know if I need more borax or if I just need to like give up.
Like, what is this texture?
Looks like strawberry marshmallow fluff.
Mine's got pretty princess.
Amazing girl.
Hi guys, so this horse.
When it's ready to activate, just pour that mofo.
I don't know how much.
No, because it happened to me too. There's some forks everywhere from that fucking pencil.
It's fine. It's clear. It's fine.
Gotta really put the work in. I just need to take this Band-Aid off.
No, she's like showering, maybe. It's like,
Yeah.
How'd you make the last one so good?
I don't know.
literally, what if lotion?
I was about to go up and grab some, but I don't want to get up.
Some containers. So it doesn't dry out. I need some of it. Scented slime. It's really
We both
Wait,
started.
Both on her legs.
the lotion works though, I think.
She thinks,
really
but she's
gotta-
not.
Mine's already like not sticky anymore. Why do you keep your screen so
Listen to
dark?
this.
It's hard again. But I don't know what to do about it. Like, I'm just gonna add this.
You added so much.
I know, it needs it.
It's gonna drop on the carpet. Whoa.
Wow.
How'd you do that so good?
I'm gonna help you guys, but let me make her smell like a Puerto Rican. There's so much.
I don't think mine's safe.
Wait, don't say that. Everything is fixable.
What is that? Lotion or glue?
That's the glue, I think.
Yeah. Quinn's correct.
I have a plan, Sarah, to save your slime.
I need more saving.
Is it hard? Describe your slime to me.
Very wet.
I'll be back.
Are you put warm
Glue,
water on it?
maybe?
Yeah. Oh wow, Sarah, this is bad.
Yeah.
I know.
I would grab that for you, bud.
You're busy with your glue.
God.
Yeah, hers is bad.
So chocolate. Sorry.
Don't fuck up my slime, you slime fucker upper.
Why is there so much more water?
Just trust the process.
I will. I will.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
Wait.
What did I tell you guys?
It'll save her, I swear. You gotta believe. Oops.
It's fine.
How does like the stuff even make slime?
Science.
Chemistry.
It's like how
Don't ask me, I barely
it's
passed
like how
chemistry.
you bake stuff, but it's slime. And if you eat it, you die. It's getting there.
Who's there?
I tried
Who wants to touch my slime?
Nice.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mine's still like it doesn't stretch.
Put more glue in it.
That would make it more sticky.
Lotion.
Okay, we need.
Yep.
We need.
We need. Okay, we need.
Okay, so basically.
Almost all lotion, guys. Oops.
Back to Georgia. One fell out.
Yeah.
A piece.
One.
Mine's in
One
different
fell
pieces.
out.
It's different shards of slime.
He was just ready for her damn traps.
Mine's back together again,
She
but it's
almost-
still not stretchy.
She kind of is fixing. Come on,
Fix mine.
Just play with mine for a while, and by the time you're.
Not fix. You need to fix Quinn's.
Yeah, he's next.
Me what I like. I just make something up. Sophie's not happy.
She's gonna punch me down and lose her
Really?
tap finger.
How'd you do that? How did you do that? She literally. That's a weapon.
Okay, well now I gotta fix mine. BRB.
Do you want a step by step?
No.
Yeah.
Why do you add so much?
Don't test. Don't.
Draining out my slime.
Didn't you say anything is fixable?
This
It looks like rubber.
This is tar. This is a stingray.
It just like melts. Like, tell me that's not cool.
All of our my songs are good.
ASMR. Okay, my slime soaked up my entire bowl of water.
Pretty good.
You should
Okay, I
be.
think my slime's done.
Are we getting tattoos next?
It sucked up all that water.
You don't have markers? You got it.
Sarah, what's the name of yours?
Raspberry.
Sorbet.
Sophia, what's the name of yours?
Pretty princess and this amazing, beautiful, sparkly princess. Sparkly.
We've got Raspberry Sorbet by Special Agent Shrank. Big Sexy Puerto Rican Prostitute by Monty. And Pretty Amazing Awesome Sparkly Princess Climb Vacation.
Where's Quinn's?
She's sitting for now. I'll go check on her.
Oh, was that the big bowl of black?
You didn't even question it. Let me see.
Oh. To her house tour. This is her so far. She's just. She's not doing great. For sure. Or water. Let me just leave her there for a while.
Olivia, do this.
Quinn definitely gets the fire one.
That's what I was thinking.
Fingers.
What's this one?
Yes. Yeah.
It looks crooked.
You're crooked.
It's definitely crooked. It's fine. It's good.
That looks good.
Let's just steal your mom's car.
Yeah. She's like, sorry, we're gonna borrow your car real quick.
Like, we will bring it back. I'll just tell her my license. Like, what's she gonna say no? Yes.
Yeah, she will.
Zero out of 10. There's a hair in mine. I would not buy again.
It's probably the glue. They probably rolled it there.
Yeah, probably.
Whose fucking 40-inch weave is that? 40-inch weave.